And action.
What is up, guys, with another video. Today, wait, this is already, it's okay. Before we make this, if you remember, my little brother gets it. Listen, now, let's do something. Oh, so great. My aunt cooking something. Two heroes. Hey, there's my name, Sky. Sky, look at this. This guy right here, Sky. Well, I think that's the future me. Okay, today we are gonna unbox it with scissors. Yeah, you can just pop that open like easily. You need scissors to pop that open. And this is not actually working, I think. I think I need to go to range more right here. Like, okay, range more number 1, range more level 3. I ripped it. My little bird want this, but he already have something. Oh, range mode, lever. Why do I keep saying lever? Level 10. I think this won't just pop open like easily. Finally. I ripped like a zillion times. Sub Heroes. There's my name in the shield. I don't know who's Sky. I don't know who's somebody else. Pop. Let me get it out with the scissors. Hope I don't jam and kill myself or stab myself. And gee, this is like the hardest thing to open right now. I got a bow, but I didn't get. Owies! I hurted myself. How dumb am I? Oh, finally, get someone. The Sky Army? What? My army? I think this is finally this guy, I think so. Hey, I wear sexual glasses. I'm Professor, and my name is. Tell me what's my name. I don't even know. Okay, my name's. I don't even know. Nice to meet you. Who are you? Okay. You're not. I don't even know. Call yourself. Okay, I'll call myself Jamie. Okay, this is not my glasses. I'm taking my eye out. Golden Jamie. Where are you? Oh, yes, guys. Where are you? Sky. My name's Sky. Yes. Of course. Look at him. Golden Jamie. And regular Jamie. I think Golden Jamie gets this golden sword because he's golden. And my little brother's moving the table. Golden Jamie on the patrol. Okay, fine. This is not the patrol. This is this guy. I am born with a goop instantly. Can this thing go out? Ah! Oh. And then I got a sticker. Okay, is this? No. Now come see it at the back. Oh. Okay, I got it out. Golden. Jamie, hold the golden shield. I actually already did one video this day, and it's this thing. Sky. Okay, your name's Sky. Also my name. Your name is Sky Army. Ah! Let's fight together, Jamie. Okay, let's fight, Golden Jamie. Ah! I won't cut off my nose. Ah! Oh. Well, I have feeling factor with this thing. Done. Uh-oh, that's a big guy. Ah! Ow. Ah, run away! Golden Jamie! Ah, it hurts. See. Ah, my skin. My skin. Oh, ow. Ow. I'm hurting again. It's okay, Jamie. I got this. Oh, what the? Okay. Bye-bye. Golden Jamie? Okay, fine. I'll kick you. Okay. You will wake up. Okay. The skin is Golden Jamie? Yeah. He's really dead. Golden Jamie's dead. 2019. Well, just one day. Kind of fix it yourself. Okay, fine. I'll get your everything. Okay. This is now kind of cool. Well, I don't use glasses. I'm blind with this. Yeah. Kind of cool. Do I look? Okay. This is Professor Golden Jamie. I'm here to kill people. But I can't even wear my own glasses. Use that glasses. Okay. Sky. That was the quickest video ever, I think. Let's do a battle against these two. 3, 2, 1, ting. I'm dead. I'm also dead. That was the quickest movie ever. Okay. Oh, Sky Army Sky Army. And what is this Sky guy? Sky spent much of his time training his personal legion, the Sky Army, which both sword and bow. He recruits his team, learn from the best. Superheroes unite. Okay, I think I will call these two caveman films and upload details. Yep. Okay guys, the shortest video ever. Get out of my sight! Okay. Thanks for watching guys. This is the shortest video I ever single made. Like, subscribe, and comment what should I do next. And also hit that like button. Bye.